Hey YouTube, we are currently sitting at 30 subscribers. I know that's crazy, but we are. Thank you for that. To those of you that are new, I occasionally do a something worth having video. This is not something you need in your book collection. It's not something that I'm promoting. It's just one of the tools that I use on occasion. Not this book in particular, but because I live on the opposite side. This book is just what it says. It's on Bird's Nest, and it's another tool you can use to identify birds. If you have the nest,